Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canon printer to Wi-Fi step by step clearly.
Start by turning on your Canon printer. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is up and running. Locate the menu button on your printer's control panel and press it.
Scroll through the options using the arrow keys until you find network.
Select network and then choose wireless LAN from the submenu. Now, find Wi-Fi setup and press OK. You will see multiple setup options. Choose Easy Wireless Connect and press OK. Wait for your printer to search for available networks. Once your network appears on the list, select it. Press OK to confirm your choice. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the printer's keypad. Make sure to enter it correctly, paying attention to case sensitivity. Once the password is entered, press OK. The printer will attempt to connect to your Wi-Fi network. This may take a few moments, so be patient. When the connection is successful, a confirmation message will appear. Now, go to your computer or mobile device. Open the Canon website or the Canon Print app. Download and install the necessary printer drivers if you haven't done so. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. During this process, make sure to select the option for wireless printing. Finally, print a test page to confirm everything is set up correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.